In this video, I will be providing solutions to fix Roblox voice chat issues. What I recommend is you have to verify your age and enable voice chat in the privacy settings for it to work. First, go to the Roblox website and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Verify your age. Go to Privacy and make sure voice chat is enabled. This is under beta features and can only be done once you've verified your age. If you're above the age of 13 and have verified your age but still don't have the option for Roblox voice chat, contact Roblox support by scrolling to the bottom of the page and tapping on Help. You can submit a request and Roblox will get back to you. Once you are in a game on Roblox, pause the game and go to Settings. Make sure your volume is turned up so you can hear other people using voice chat. Unmute yourself by clicking on the microphone icon. You can also unmute yourself from the Roblox pause menu. Make sure your microphone is working by selecting the input device you currently use. This can be found in your settings. Make sure that you have not muted anyone by clicking on the speaker icon. If someone is muted, you won't be able to hear them. Hopefully, these fixes will allow you to use Roblox voice chat without any issues. Remember, these are just a few of the potential fixes for Roblox voice chat issues, and there may be other solutions depending on your specific situation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content.